We're doing the potato waste chips hot sauce challenge. Today we got sweets. I've never had a hot sauce. I've never had one before. Da, 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 da. Oh, that's quick. Why do we
Smell.
That sounds like barbecue chips. It's barbecue.
Okay, ready?
Let's do it at the same time. Oh God. My tongue's burning. Oh God. I need a drink.
It's really hot. Will you bring me a soda water? Those are hot, but good.